G'day everyone, we've gone bananas, but we've got one ripe banana, so we've got to cut it down and let them ripen on the balcony before they all get eaten. So I have my banana knife and I'm going to go around the back and chop it down. All right, so here we go. With my cheap Temu, there we go. There's our bananas. That worked well. Well, my cheap Temu banana knife works. Oh, it's been eaten a bit. Well, it's only a small bunch, but it's our first one. And the reason I've cut it down is, we have a look. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Fell off. Something's been eating my bananas when they ripen. Hopefully it's birds, not rats. So we'll chop that bit off and we'll try the little bit that's left. But not a bad little bunch for a first time. So let's just put this over here for the time being. And go in and try our banana. Let's cut the eat bit off. Looking good. Let's peel him. Fibrous little fella. Now the big thing. That's very different to a Cavendish. Different texture, it's sort of creamy. Sweet. Very nice banana. All right, well, we'll give some to the lady curmudgeon. It's eaten a bit. We'll see if Rufus likes banana. Sort of mushing up a bit. Do you like it? Oh, spat it out. Ate it, spat it out. I think he sort of likes it. Our first banana. Well, it's actually our second. The first naturally ripened banana. And it is very nice, very sweet. Doesn't have that flowery, furry, leftover taste that you get with the Cavendish. Very nice. Looking forward to getting some more of them. You had any luck with bananas? If so, let me know in the comments. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit bell icon. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.